Yo, it's Jackson with Asian Outfitters. It is July 9th. We are here at Metro Detroit Airport having a drink before we head down to Tampa to do some deep sea offshore fishing. So got me and my bros, my brother-in-law and my nephew. We're gonna meet up with Z this week and hopefully we can make it happen. So here's to a good weekend, guys. Cheers. Let's rip some lips. Y'all in Tampa. Yo, just landed in Tampa, Florida. Walking to Tampa. Asian Outfitters, July 10th, hang 'em high, Crystal River. Got him? You got it? Yeah. Put him up, Z. Put him up. The ocean. Want to go? Yep. Alright, go ahead. You remember how to do it, right? On
to make sure this is
That could be a red too. Look at this school girl. Look at that. That's a piece red.
This ain't, I don't know if this is gas. It's still white.
Big red that super.
Damn, son, you gotta take pictures there. That's the. Too bad we can't keep it.
Get that line up.
Oh, another red fish. Double red fish.
There you go.
Hey, Jack, you need this picture right here, but you don't need nothing about this one. Not this big, that's the gold, these ones.
I told you this was the whole time. I'm like, oh, you and Uncle Bob taking pictures. That's
Yeah,
dope.
this is double red. Oh, you got David, reel it up. Go. Reel it up, David. What do we got here? That's a big. There he is. There he is. Big gag. Keeper gag, yes sir. Yes sir. All right, thanks. Big ass fucking white snapper. Or gag. Big gag. towards you. It's a big red too.
Yeah. Big red.
Ooh, look at that. Big red.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, we hit it on the way down. It's already almost done. Oh, look at the net. I can only do that. I am. It's facing you. Welcome back a little bit. Oh, great reaches far down. Very nice.
This must be your guaranteed snapper hole, huh?
Found it yesterday. What did Rob tip out?
Putting us on and shit.
Alright guys, this is the end of our trip. You want to limit out on gags and ARS? Come see Hang 'em High up here in Crystal River, man. We killed one today.
These two boys put y'all some fish. You gotta come out here.
Captain Hunter and First Mate Trevor.
Good shit, guys.
Thanks guys, thanks Hang 'em High. Here's to a good trip.
Limits in the box. Leaking. Yeah. It always
Thank you,
leaks.
brother. Yeah, appreciate you.
See y'all back in Michigan.
Yeah. Talking about getting your ass.
How's the trip?
Oh, it's awesome. I'm beat the hell up.
Thing?
No comment. Z, man, it's just a name today.
Rudy? Made it. Bob's the one that caught the most fish.
Hell yeah, I'm pumped, man. I'm ready to do day 2.
Hang 'em high. Can't beat it. Awesome day. Next year.